the snow finally move on out. So here's the new timeline. Very heavy snow continues overnight, 1 to 3 inches an hour. It begins to diminish tomorrow, but finally doesn't get out of here until we're into 7, 8 o'clock. So that's why around Washington now, 18 inches, perhaps in some spots even 30 inches in some of the suburbs. Now to the mountains to our west, 30 to maybe some spots 40 inches of snow from a monumental historic storm, and a dangerous one too. Jim?
All right, thanks, Bob.
Hey guys, it's me, Greg, with a truly historical moment here. It is about 20 till 12, and it is snowing so hard. I mean, 2 to 3 inches an hour, heavy wind. I've just never seen anything like it. We probably have about a foot, maybe 14 inches on the ground, and they're calling for 30 to 40. Alright, so it's about 5 till midnight. We've got about 6 or 7 more hours of this non-stop, between 1 to 3 inches of snow an hour. It's just absolutely one of the most amazing things I've ever seen from a weather standpoint. Trying to document all this, one, for my own enjoyment, but two, really for the kids. I mean, you don't see anything like this. 40 years of life. And, only a couple of times have I seen anything close to this, but this is probably the worst. Guys, shh. Shh. Look at the dogs. Come on, buddy. That was lightning we just had. If you can see the flickers, we just had lightning. (1:45 a.m.)